Okay, we've got a Dacia Sandero, I think that's how it's pronounced. Centre brake light, which has failed. Puts the light up on the dashboard. As I say, first thing, put your foot on the brake, find out which one's gone. But the actual, the edge ones are quite easy to do. But the centre one is a pig. So I'm going to show you now. I've got it off, which will give you the. It's easier to see it when it's off because you can't see it when it's in. So the first thing you do is you remove. They've got two little black covers just to go over there, and you put in your screwdrivers at 45 degrees, okay, and you push in. But don't think it comes out easy, because it doesn't. And I thought that these would squeeze in, but they can't squeeze in because this is a flat surface. So what you're doing is you're pushing these in, because they go in, as you can see that going inside the underneath, and then hopefully you lift it up and pull it out. But it was a little bit harder than that coming out, so take your time, don't scratch nothing. I mean, and it will eventually come out. But I did struggle with this one, and luckily this one had come out from here, and I managed to actually get this one off. But I would have thought this would have pushed in, but they don't, because this is a flat surface and it can't go anywhere. So the bulb, there's your bulb, 16, helps you out. Picked up. It'll keep the old man happy because I've only just picked it up. Of course it has to go wrong on me. So hopefully that helps you out. And but yeah, it doesn't come out smooth, not as smooth as I was expecting anyhow. As I say, take your time, and you don't have to break it, you don't have to scratch nothing, you don't have to cause any, just take your time. If you're getting stressed, go and have a cup of tea and then come back to it. Trust me, it works. Anyway, everyone have a good day, and I hope this helps someone out there, because you could cause a lot of damage with not mucking about. Okay then, be good, bye.